How to fix Capcut network problem. Now, first thing you have to do referring to your network is your internet connection. Now, you need to run a speed test first by pulling up your Google Chrome and type in speed test. Now, once you've done that and anything looks good, you can go ahead on the second troubleshooting steps, which is to download any of those VPN features. Now, once you download it and install VPN, you have to uninstall your Capcut and install it again. The third troubleshooting step is we need to check if your Capcut is well updated. So you go to your Play Store, search for Capcut. Now it will be shown right here if there is a new update. Now, once you saw that, you go ahead and check for a possible outage. You'll just have to type in Capcut outage as of 2024. Now you'll just have to see if there is a possible system outage that is going on. So those are the basic troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Capcut network problem.